Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the overview of Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Okay, first we'll just see this. Wait, I'll show you. This is one more important one. This is a solution explorer. In this solutions, we will be having a solution, one solution, and we can create a multiple projects in this one solution. Okay, so this is what a solution explorer. And one more thing, this is a application explorer. So application explorer, I have already told you that the use of application explorer. So in this week we have a two views, that is one is a model view and one is the classic view. Classic view means, see, in this way we'll be getting like a folder kind of. If we just elaborate it, so we can see the data types that is comes under the data type. This is a base enum extensions, edts and all. If we just elaborate the data model, I'll tell you, just give me a moment. If we just click on this data model, you will be able to see the table extensions, views. These are all comes under data model. So this is actually a classic view. So if we just click on the model view, we can able to see the models whatever we have before, and the standard models also we can see. So these are all some standard models, and we can just check our custom models as well. We can create a custom models by using I'll tell you, wait. So if we just click here on Dynamics 365 menu, model management, so here we can just create a model, I mean custom model here itself. So after that, after creating this custom model, you can able to see, I mean after just going to the AOT, right click, and if you click on the model view, and after that you can just search here whatever the model that you have created. Here it is, like enter a filter query. So here you can search your particular model. Okay, so here the file menu is something like, we can just create a new project, new website, teams, projects and whatever. And if we come to the open, if whatever we have created, the project or solution, we can just open it from here. Okay, and also the coming to the recent files, see, you're able to see the recent files and recent projects and solutions. So in the recent projects and solutions, only the projects and solution that will be displayed. So recent files, in the sense whatever classes and whatever forms that we have opened, you will be able to see in the recent files. Okay, and same comes with the edit as well. Okay, so in this I've already told you, I mean as of now for the beginners, these two are most important, solution explorer and application explorer. So I'll just share with you these all the things in the later videos. And coming to the debug, so in the debug you'll be having these many things. So here, as for the beginners, I can just show you only attached to process, that is I have already I mean to say, I have already created one video, separate video for this debug. This comes under debug. So how to debug, I have already created one video. Please, if you are not aware of that, you can go just there and check. Okay, and coming to this Dynamics 365 menu, here if you want to, I mean if you have if you want to deploy any packages. Okay, if you want to deploy your package or create a deployable package in a test environment or in a production environment, after, I mean you, if you have the code and if you want to deploy that code to the test environment or production environment, you can just directly click here. Okay, and coming to the model management, there are like a create model, refresh model. So if you want to create a custom model, that you can just directly click here and you can give your custom name for this. And for this also, I have already created a video. If you are I mean forgot to check, if you are missed it, you can please go back and check it. And if you want to refresh any models, that you can refresh. If you want to update some model parameters, so these update model parameters also I have in the models session, I have told you about this update model parameters. Okay, so whatever the packages that is dependencies, I mean I mean like if any package dependencies, if you want to check, you can check from here. Okay, if you want to build any models, so if you click on this build models, I'll show you. After clicking on build models, whatever the particular model, what you can build it from here. Full build, this is a full build. Okay, so coming to the options, we can directly synchronize the database also. If you click here, and if we select some other, if we select some other model, and if you click the synchronize database and click on build, parallelly the synchronize, I mean the database will be synchronizing, and also build will also be completing. Okay, in this way we can just do it parallelly. If you don't want to just build your model, you can only just go for a synchronizing part. So if you click on the synchronize database, and if you directly click on synchronize, it will synchronize your data. Okay, this is how, I mean this is about the Dynamics 365 menu. And so add-ins is like I have already told you in the earlier subject. Okay, earlier session. So once you can go back and check it out. So for the beginners, this is, I mean these processes enough to you. And coming, this is a totally, it's a back end. Okay, I'll show you front end how it looks like. So this is the front end. So the front end is see USMF. I think you are able to see the USMF, right? So if we click on the USMF, these are all the companies. Basically these are all the companies. So in the Dynamics 365 finance and operation language, we call it as a legal entities. So we call it as a legal entities for the companies. Okay, and one more thing, these are workspaces that we have, like bank management, benefits, and master planning, maintenance, request management. These are all the workspaces that we have here. And if you want to search for a particular page that you have created, if you are not aware of the module, I mean which module that you have created the page, so you can directly search for the page from here. Okay, and this is one more thing. And these are all the modules that you have. See, for example, coming to this accounts payable, receivable, asset management, so budgeting. So these are all like, if the budget related information, that will be, we can see in a budgeting module. Okay, it's the same, like same comes with human resources, general ledger. So whatever the information that is associated with the human resources, that will be we can able to see in the human resource module. So, and according to the requirement, we can create a our unique module as well. If you have any requirement to create a new module, you can just create a new module. And if you want to, like check the recent whatever the you have done, so you can just check in the recent tab. And if you need any favorite, so you can just add it in the favorites tab. So this is how the front end looks like. So this is a basic overview of Dynamics 365 finance and operations technical. And if you have not seen my videos, I mean for the beginners, I have created few videos for the beginners, and I've created playlist for that. If you are interested and if you want to learn something, so definitely you just go and check it out. Thank you.